Pathetic. Even pathetic will shit on the garbage. Seeing Chelsea's performance, pathetic. Means the performance has become garbage of the infinity of the garbage of the nonsense of the garbage of the infinity of the garbage. Means new words you have to invent. Seeing this Chelsea team, seeing this Todd Bowley's Chelsea, since Todd Bowley has come in, we are seeing nonsense after nonsense after nonsense after humiliation of the ridiculous of the nonsense of the kachara of the useless. Seriously, garbage, absolute shit show. I said last week itself, Nottingham Forest is a good team. That Ducati forward is there, and guess what? He has given an assist, and Ilanga ran past our defense. Our 100 million, 118 million record breaker midfielder has lost the ball. Casual approach, casual player. He has lost the ball, and they have taken the advantage and they have scored the goal. And Nottingham Forest just had one shot on target whole match. Still they have won. How much long we are going to face this humiliation? How much long? The answer still remains. Seriously, this season is going to be a terrible season. I can predict now itself. It is going to be a terrible, horrible nuisance season. That's it. Means it's very difficult for Pochettino or any manager to turn this around. What else to say? I try to be positive. I try to be optimistic and all. But nothing is changing. Nothing is improving or anything. Nothing is changing. Absolutely nothing is changing. Only optimism, that's it. Only vibes, optimism and vibes. Nothing else. What else we should say? Nottingham Forest has never beaten Chelsea since before I was born. Before I was born in 1995, last time they have beaten Chelsea. And now they have come in and beaten us at the bridge. So we are going back to the 90s, isn't it? We have become a mid-table club. We have become an absolute mid-table club and will remain a mid-table club. There's no improvement at all. Our owners are spending hundreds and hundreds of millions of pounds he's spending and no improvement, nothing is going on. That's it. The manager is confused, the players are confused, whole lot is confused. Players are also injured and everything, but still it's Nottingham Forest. It's Nottingham Forest. For God's sake, it's Nottingham Forest. They are coming to the bridge, they have only one shot on target and they are beating us. Just one shot on target, and last that Ilanga has dribbled past 4 of our defenders. Last time they have beaten us since 1995. Last season they have just drew with us. Now fresh season, fresh everything, more players have been signed, but there's no improvement. Same old garbage, that's it. Same old garbage, same old rubbish, that's it. Today Enzo and Gallagher tried long range shots, that also went off the target. After that, second half was a disaster. Complete catastrophe, monostrophe, holostrophe. It was a complete disaster, that's it, disaster. We have considered a goal, then after that, Nicholas Jackson, after he scored against Luton Futton, people termed this as the next Drogba, it seems, next Drogba. Oh, Drogba. Today, one golden opportunity he had. Sterling has dribbled past 2 players and given him the assist. Beautiful of an assist. He should have finished that. He could have become a hero. Instead, he has become an absolute zero. A waste garbage he has become. And he's not even worth Drogba's pubic hair. Forget about comparing with Drogba. Even Drogba's, knees are better than him. Even Drogba's knees. Stop comparing. That's why the club is in this sorry state. And whoever made such comments, you're not even smoking weed, you're smoking opium. Send me some of those opium, then I can maybe calm down a little bit. I can calm down. Even if you send me that also, I will not calm down. Because it's absolute garbage, rubbish shit. That's it. Absolute rubbish shit. Means nothing else to say, man. Nothing else to say. Before I was born, Nottingham Forest has defeated Chelsea. That was the last time. And now they are beating us in 2023 after spending 1 billion we have spent. 1 billion we have spent, still nothing has happened. Nothing changed, no improvement, nothing is there. Still we are a mid-table team. This is going to be a long, hell long of a season. Let players come back also. But the formation, the team's players' mentality, players' attitude and everything looks absolutely downgrade shit, that's it. Looks downgrade shit. Horrible, completely rotten from top to bottom, completely rotten. Nothing else to say, man, nothing else to say. I was optimistic, positive. Before every match, I'm positive, optimistic and everything. But nothing is changing, nothing is doing. Same old garbage, that's it. Same old garbage. We cannot score, our attack is too weak. We are going, if we If we go down one goal, if the opposition score one goal, we don't have that mentality, that fighting spirit to fight back and come back into the game. We don't have that spirit itself. We don't have that spirit. Only here and there, if one or two luck happens, then we might win games. It's going to be very, very difficult. We don't even have that extra spirit, extra edge, and no fighting spirit. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. I see nothing. Absolutely nothing. Pochettino, what? Even if Pep Guardiola comes in this team, it is going to be very difficult for him to manage this club. Forget about Pochettino. What else to say? You kindly tell me. We are already 4 games have passed, and we are already 8 games. Means 8 points. 8 points behind the league leaders. Means the title race is over already. We cannot win the title already. Just 4 games into that, we cannot win the title. See whether we can finish top 10 or not. Top 4 also is looking like a dream. What else to say? 2 shots on target at the Stamford Bridge against Nottingham Forest, who has not defeated us since 1995. Who was promoted recently, last year only they got promoted into the Premier League, I think. They got promoted and they are coming here and beating us with just 1 shot on target the whole match. We just cannot score, and we have some idiots on Twitter saying that Nicholas Jackson is the next Drogba just because he has scored against Luton Foot and Gutton. Seriously, I have no words to say. This season, seriously, worst nightmares also can come true, I'm telling you. Open your eyes. Before making such statements, open your eyes. See what is the state of the club and anything. Last season, Tuchel has saved us. Tuchel has saved us. Tuchel the God is not here this season. This season, Tuchel the God is not here to save us. This season, so be very careful. Okay, the worst nightmares can also happen. I'll not say no. You know what? You think it. If you're intelligent enough, you think what will happen. Okay, so this time no Tuchel the God will come and save us. So, better the players and everyone wake up and smell the coffee and realize what will happen and what not will happen. And talking about the signings, they're telling Cole Palmer and whoever fuck comes in, whoever the fuck plays, nothing is going to change at this club. Nothing at this club is going to change, because the players will come, score goals, go to the hospital. Repeat procedure will happen. The owners will spend more money. The team chemistry will get ruined. Team will have no coordination. They cannot score the goals. The attack will become horrendous. Yet they will buy midfielders, attacking midfielders and everything. Yet they will not buy any striker. Cole Palmer they have signed. I seriously don't understand. We are not having a proper striker. We are not having a proper goal scorer. Still, he has not signed another striker. There's no backup for Nicholas Jackson. That Roja, he has to come back from the hospital. When he is going to come back, God only knows. So we didn't sign a striker. So this is only going to happen. This time Tuchel the God is not coming to save us. So be very careful. Intelligent people will understand, realize what will happen and what is going to happen. So prepare for the worst. That's it. Prepare for the worst. Keep very low expectations. It will take years for us to come back and compete again. Years it is going to take. Years. 4 games in and the title race is over already. Next week, top 4 race also will get over. Means top 5 race now they are saying. Top 5 race also will go over in coming 2 weeks or something if we play like this. And we are going to just pray to the God and survive. Means what to say. Already last season we have gone mid-table. This season I will not speak. Better I not speak. Because intelligent people will understand what will happen and what not will happen. So nothing else to say. What else to say? What else to say? Simply sideways football. Passing around the players and everything. Giving crosses after crosses after crosses. With no impact, nothing. Left winger is crossing to right winger is receiving it. No end product whatsoever, nothing is there. Cole Palmer is an attacking midfielder, is a right winger. We don't have a striker to finish whatever chances he'll create. It's been very difficult. I try to be positive, I try to be optimistic, but this club, I don't recognize this club anymore. Absolutely it has become like that. I don't recognize this Chelsea anymore. It's become absolutely pathetic. It's simply unacceptable. Simply unacceptable that Nottingham Forest just having 1 shot on target. They are coming to Stamford Bridge and they are beating us. They are beating us, and all our substitutions, whatever Pochettino has made, whatever formation he has made was a complete bullshit, bullcrap, nonsense, garbage. That's it. Was absolute garbage. None of his tactics worked today. None of his substitutions worked today. The finishing by Jackson was a horrendous shit. Some positive things that was there. That was nothing. All the signings also, the way they are performing, no ownership whatsoever, no responsibility whatsoever, nothing. Casually just taking the wages, making mistakes, costly errors they are making, means helping the opposition in gaining 3 points, and this is the cycle that is repeating.